My name's Jeanette LaHood. I'm 23 years old and I work for a construction company as a project coordinator.
I'm based on site and I'm just assisting various trades with any problems they may have with design-related issues. I also look after quality control on the job. I look after programming, so I assist the site manager in all programs, and also any scheduling of Rio, organising that. So it ranges pretty much just to make the life of the guys on site a lot easier. And if I can't assist them, then we use external consultants that I liaise with as well. Oh no! The mechanical guys have missed a penetration in the slab, which is for all their services to come up through the roof, and basically we have to cut through. Each day there's something new to see, there's a new problem to deal with, and there's new results every day. So it's very, very diverse in that sense. It's just a matter of now coordinating the hydraulic services as well with the mechanical. It's fun. I'm going to speak to Wayne and Rami and I'll let you know for sure. I really enjoy watching a project develop from when it's a massive hole in the ground and then you've got these great buildings up. It's quite satisfying to see that, and that all the hours and the hard work that you put in ends up the way it does, and it's pretty satisfying for the community as well. I was actually studying a Bachelor of Property Economics at the University of Western Sydney, and I started doing a couple of building subjects and I really enjoyed them. I transferred to a construction management degree, met some friends at the uni. They convinced me to come to Southern Cross Constructions and study and work at the same time, and I've never looked back since. Like, it's great. I wanted to speak to you about those platforms. To be working for a construction company, you need some kind of construction degree, building degree, engineering degree. If you've got, say, a TAFE degree, you're more inclined to be maybe an apprentice on site. So some of our guys are carpenters, they work on site and they get their training that way, where I'm a uni student, so we've taken a cadetship with the company and we progress through that. Did they send you Rio for it? General advice would probably be, if you're studying, make sure you're working at the same time, taking up a cadetship and finding a company that you fit in with, finding the right mix of people. It's just excellent. I've got bad news for you. Yeah, you can't cut that hob. To be able to communicate with others is essential in getting the correct message across, following certain instructions and obviously what's on the drawings, and also management skills to a certain degree, so being able to manage subordinates and trades. I think background knowledge is really important so that you're confident in motivating and obviously inspiring others to do the right thing out there. To do the type of work I do, you need to be extremely motivated, and I think you need to have a lot of patience at the same time, because you can work with up to 250 people on average on your site, and you've got to be really patient with their questions. You've got to be patient in getting people to do things for you. My job impacts on the economy through employment, as it creates employment opportunities for many people with all various sorts of skills. It also creates housing for people, roads that we drive on, tunnels, all sorts of things, and also public services such as hospitals. One day I'd like to be the project manager on the job, but at the moment there's various steps that we need to take to get there, so I guess I'm on the right track to my dream job. I would extremely encourage others to get involved in the construction industry, particularly if you're a female. I work for a great company and they're extremely supportive of females in the industry. We're all doing a range of things, from working on construction sites to consultants to lawyers, so it's diverse. There's a massive demand for the skilled workforce. You don't have enough people entering the industry. I love my job. You develop great friendships with your team and with the people around you, working closely to them, 6 days a week for pretty long hours every day. It's just great. It's work and it's social, and it's a hobby too. So it's good, I love it. See ya, bye.